bahurira mu nimbeda kabakomire tabanye kaba agent banje mwina mwishi izo bigambo byanje mwabuhurira ibina gambira abanyamahurire oku minister Bright Rwameramu ajiro mu inebu akashaza mu impapuro zo bwegese bwanje naboreke impapuro zanje zona oku nashomere ahina ashomere hona na hetsha wanje yijaya mbere ubuvuzi ebyanje byona naboreka kugira ngo murundo kundo mu karwa nagamba wabo ruhumgarchemu otinga obwe no buri ari abwa
court etwire cyandiko etwire court order civil division of Kampala turukurwa omuramuzi Kinobe Justice Kinobe atwire order eri kuragira UNEB okushujuma impapuro zanje obutanshara mushango etamburikiza agambira ba UNEB ngo bagire bata bampurikiza ahindi kugambira rizoba ebaraha yahandikirwe hitcha wanjogo ebaraha yahanditsine ya mukaga nane kushobora kuno kuwereka ngo index number eyimukozise kushaza mu bihandiko teri yanje rizoba ro yabanje bagitwara UNEB konka izoba rwa kashatu timbu yaje kugereba izoba rwa kashatu UNEB yetahagarikiremo erinzire ngo biri 10 bikwapiringa be byahwireyo obota kirebeka baroti bija kurugaha mpaka UNEB tuza kurugaha ihangwe mpaka UNEB idi atushobore ahabwenshi nabasa kukozesebwa omunshonga za politics ahabwenshi nabasa kukozesebwa kushaza mu bihandiko by'abantu kandi UNEB niyo yakuberera custodian twena tuyino kwikirizo mu UNEB ahabo kuba niyo eri kubika max zip niyo eri kubika ibihandiko bitu byona byo bwegese so ekiri kukurataho na court action UNEB keragumizemu ezimwire echandiko cha court and the unbelievable decision by UNEB. I participated in NRM primaries that didn't go well. I decided to come back here as an independent for Member of Parliament in Sinjiro North. I was nominated on the 22nd of October 2025. Here is proof. Here is my nomination form, but was duly signed. I was duly nominated on that day, only to my surprise to receive a call from the Electoral Commission calling me for a petition hearing that there was someone in the names of Kajung Benson challenging my academic qualifications. They alleged I possess forged academic documents. I appeared before Justice Byabakama and the panel. To my surprise, I found one Kajung Benson, whom I know as the driver of Minister Bright Rwameramu, as the petitioner. I told UNEB to give me time. I told EC to give me time so that I check with UNEB. To my surprise, EC already had a letter invalidating my academic documents without my notice. I don't know how UNEB invalidated my results without consulting me. Only to dig further, I found there was a complaint that there was someone called Atwine James, where we share the same name, index number 037. The complaint was complaining about an impersonator, I don't know, with index number 37. But to my surprise, UNEB went ahead and invalidated the result of a totally different person, Atwine James, myself, with index number 038. It is very, very unfortunate that I moved the court for a court order to allow UNEB to review its decision. I was granted an order through a consent order that UNEB shall accord me a hearing regarding the validity of my academic documents. But UNEB has not done, because it is being influenced by the person I'm standing with, the Honorable Minister Bright Rwameramu, who has vowed to fight anybody who is standing with him this time around. He is fighting hard to make sure everybody is eliminated until he runs unopposed. But I didn't know it can reach to the level of invalidating my hard-earned academic qualifications. Today I have come with my head teacher, who taught me in O-level, and who was the director of school where I started my O-level from. He had previously written a letter regarding someone who was impersonating Atwine James with a different index number. But UNEB proceeded using his letter and invalidated academic documents of a totally different person. I am happy my head teacher stood with me. He wrote a letter to UNEP. He told them, I was telling you about index number 7. How did you go on and invalidate academic documents of number 038? That was very, very erroneous. And all this is happening at the watch of the IGG. The IGG moved to my schools investigating. But to my surprise, the IGG was not looking for the truth, but was trying to change facts so that I should be eliminated. The Honorable Minister is working with the office of the IGG, to be specific, the office of the Deputy IGG in this matter. As we are going to testify more, we shall reach that. On record, I went to Lucia Primary School, which is in the neighborhood here, just a few steps away. That's why I started from P1 to P7. I later joined Apostles of Jesus Buchinda Seminary in Kabare, where I left. I joined St. John's School, and in Senior 4, I joined the Green Hill College, which is also in the neighborhood. I obtained a UCE certificate under my names.
Iyo kusoma kwa James ni wafanya hochi utakana mazina
Anyana banyita yamure bameria kandi kabandi director of Green College since 2001. Muka nabanyenda kubanza kuoninga abana bakushobera mu masomero bakagira umunyonga hasi kuri kuzajamba abana mwaheza kushoma mwamara muti senior 4 ninga senior 6 ubwo muzo mu mashomero ganyu muyeyo certificates results the certificates later kandi cyakabiri n'amashomero gonka agumukuba mushomeremo agakusatisfying ipapura byanyu to UNEP verifying solo muchikwata kulima yangu kuri here kwa tugajizo gutekira in existence as of now abantu benji bakaba scared bajyangu tutandikire tuze kuko zanje zinabiri kosa up to now they are the same sumus earphones zikahinduka abo kwenda gukora official work all the time. Nambwenu saga eyizire mweye katambuze bintu ko yabitambuze tindatungira access ari atwine satisfying popularity until ubwashangire kiri very important to come and look for me kandi chukozero nko kushebekwa gikorwa. So UNEP rusa kubyanga abo kuba nebya Green Hill College amwana ya sitting na hiyo website 2003. So recorded njine and I satisfied clearly because it was in our hands. Kandi tugamba ishitwarebere ishitwakwasiro tukutana na necho ebaroha yabiyashobire abinariko mu IGG tekutana nawe yabira mperize kureba ebirikwetagwa byona kunka ko nashagere index number etakumacinga ya twine na yanga kwikizana nabyo icyo kurebera twabetireho impersonation woreka ngo kikakorwa abandi kungatatuine
Sinjo nosi umwamkingi James ngwegishaha ibihandiko baremba bishazamu okubisazamu omusaka soma urugacho kubanza mpaka obwegisebweye ehiya korofayingere kwesimba obwa MP tukumanya abenshi omwami honarebo ayino bwoba nashara mukushazamu MP witu twena tusobore kandi ekyo nacho ntwena kubagambira na president Chumuhike byago mabiti itondiza kurwo mwenaremu tagere nup inge bine cyaba kitari echo bariko musawita gende ayesimbe nawe tumuhezo bururu arabazo mu parliament atiyambe zugitu nk'abanyisingiro ebituremeriye tunyigire kusanga ngo King James mba musaza mwasa ya muheru ngo atesimba ngo bwegise tabwine kiyabatabwine primarizi akaraba mwata kabataramwemereze buriya ngo tuburu echo kumanza ngo ejo nkatemba yo kugezeho kumuremesa okwesimba akaruru kabona ngo atarabamo umusakaragize urubwoba ayereze abirijemo konka bareka King James witu agenda misako bantu mwenda ebyo bice bebare munonga
kuyinga ebitoke bingi baramana atumatuta ecyoma cy'ebitoke bakatwara busenyi bakatwara kurya kanyariye kuriya sanga twari ebitoke tukishingira bito tukize ebitoke mu bwingi ate ecyoma cy'ikukomye ebitoke kikabire nikizisingiro cyoka kureba kitwara kuriya sanga
ati waba noteso
nani ntesa ubundi turondeje ubundi tukatunga nito cyoma cy'ebitoke kuyomya tukatunga ebyomire
mbone kikubashasha n'ecyoma cy'ebitoke
iyi nito kitusasa okubaye bakitire twari ebitoke
bari mu
nyinyi ari seya ari kisuro
James actually murumuna wanje. So it is very unfortunate shanga mu politics zishikire a level age. Ibintu bingi bitambukorwa abantu mu bakaruru konka korenga umuntu yahika a extent yo kugira ngo agende mu binebo custodians we papera gitu ngo invalidating ngo tamesimbaho n'ikintu cy'ukwazana is very primitive and barbaric. I want to send a message actually to everyone abana bakushoma abine intention zo politics so mishaho that no one is safe. Ikintu cyancu basakora they are setting a precedent that this is a precedent. If it goes through then mukimengo nabandi cyo bakuja kukozesa kumekinga sure tuba besimba ikintu cyo kurebera tujya tukazarwa abana bijya bazira bitwa batakora mu government tukashashurwa sente zo mu womusho twatujya abana bakora kera tukazafa mukakamate mukatunda mukabona kuzayishomero wahora so we pass through a road so wahora umuntu ariyaho naenda kushaza mu papura ataha sente za government ubundi n'abana be bashomira sente za embezo rinjira mu government. It is really very unfortunate, and actually this goes to the president. These people they lost ground, they cannot mobilize for themselves. Tubakwasa kwerondera karuru bwo president bakamurondera bato, so it is very unfortunate. Kandi ntushaba every office that is concerned to make sure the president was validating yazo mu karuru ko kuyabira kozerechi kandi amani baba hine ago kubasa kushaza mu papura ago kuronda karuru ngababura bate. Let them restructure that energy agamana bafite ko kushaza mu papura by'abantu bagareto mbantu bakorechi bamuhereza karuru. That is all I can say.
Sebo baruka umuturage wa kabirebere constituency y'isindiro nusi wonka twino busasi bwo manu munonga abo kusanga nti abantu abakubene batuyamba abanyamadini baha kandi beko bine n'abasiza bahango kweruguru ba minister ni batubonabonesa ni batumoniti kuza kusereka ni baturugunya ni bakora ki kuba wasanga obusaso butwine itwenka bagize bahonarebo King James Ntizamagara kwemerera bakasebara honarebo witu ebitari yo mbutarasomere kandi tukumanya ngo akasoma kwenda kumucendeza amani nitwemerera tuzoku ombache ya manu bitu basabe sente za PDM tunendanga mu tutoroka turi aba PDM bazitwima ngukize kuzisaba James abo kumango mukagira rwamerama nibyo biko muri singiro nuzi mwe n'umusindika maraka gitu batuyambe kuba tukubi Minister Bright Rwamerama atweke ubwiro buyatwebembera nubwo nuko akozire konkareke na James atankira bumuremere bo bari munono
Bobanga tusobola kuyimirira ku muntu ayimiride ku magulu ge nga wasooka n'omulondo mulundi gwasooka ate mu busaawe esembayo ti nkusazizaamu kitegeeza nti abaana b'osomesa mu ggwanga basomera bwereere. Awo kyensabira gavumenti nti omwana waffe bamuzzeemu mu gundi mu kitabo kya Register mwe yali kubanga teyaza musango okusoma. Ensonga endala tukimanyi nti buli akwata obufuzi ayagala kuba musi w'abantu. Muzeeyi bw'anaayogera amazima nti yasomesa omwana oyo tebagenda mutta. Muzeeyi situkiramu obeere fulanka ojja olwanirira abatabani bo abaisingiro ku lw'akalulu k'abazzukulu bo abagenda okulonda enkya.
Sam Elias Muteganda tulina obusaasi bwingi okusomesa abaana kandi tusomesa abaana akajja bafuna emirimu bakabagarra hansi hati twahendekera ki n'okusomesa abaana emyaka neza 44 okusomesa omwana witu kugira ngu akyala twebembere atugende omu miso Honorable Rwamirama akatukwata aha mutwe emyaka tejja nemara yebare muno byatukorire konka areke nitwa abandi abana bazomisho abana bitu nabo bafuna baratembere bafuna umudara abana bo batembere nitwa bitu batembere byanje nibyebe ata onka itwe nk'abana abacyaro ine skills tubase ku developing onka bwaseza models baresire basta bataburana twatekateka ngo King James nabase kuzeyo buturi abacyaro eminyeto batusakireyo nitwe tufune skills zitu zi developing konka bwecho ngo muryango atanisangu tasomere kandi akabasa kuraba genozi bwe not independent bariyo ngo muryango atanisa ubira nabwo buriyo nubwo mbeno tonshaba King James tumerezo bururu yaba bamurabizaho twete na muzeyi atuyamba nshongeji wa UNEB aturukeyo je then batukirize twerezo mushiza wita karuru nitwe tuyambe turukeyo eminyeto
kabare tu ubwo kikwera kubagambira isingiro tube tukenugwe emyaka yene tiro ururu tukafunda umuntu okutumparo inga nkito bamwe abanyisingiro ko project zite zikwenda konko twafuna King James batana kumudisqualifyinga mutarashomera kandi nyonka shoma na wenyini St John zaha siniyafunga jimana nawe
Okay.
So mwene ebibirwe ebiba kutekaho nani shaba biriko hejju konko mwana yasimbe oriya yateganisibo kugira ngo namusinga amusinge bigambo akani mangu minister tayine bigambo umwana naza kucika atucikira abanyisingiro isingiro yona tufire abwa minister omu kumara imyaka
yatumaze mboko na twatere mboko
bizo bwaki ungareka twehe no mutama mwito abisingiro zakumurondera kare urti King James yahirwa bakamuye binahure bya inebe byakebe konka kashoma rero tuzaguma nawe zakumurondera kare kandi zakurwana nawe mpaka tumusinguze atukore bitwembe niyo
ahurira unimbeda kabakorera tabanye kaba agent banje mwina mwishi ezo bigambo byanje mwabhurira ibina agambira abanyamahurire oku minister Blake Rwamirama anjiro mu UNEB akashaza mu impapuro zo bwegese kwanje naboreke impapuro zanje zona oku nashomere ahina ashomere hona na hetsha wanje yijaya mbere ubuvuzi ebyanje byona naboreka kugira ngo murundo mu karwa nagamba wabo ruhumugacemu odinga obwe no buri ari abwa
Ole media niyo yonke yo kushanga hebirungi nkebyo Watch Nkore Media. Nkore.